guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm gonna show my car some love. They've been kind of just like collecting dust. I just washed them yesterday, so I'm gonna maybe take a ride in the M4. But it is in New York weather. It's looking a little nasty out. I think it's supposed to snow today, or it already snowed or something, I don't know. But I think either I might take out the M4 for a little joyride, or I'm thinking I might just take out the 440, it's all-wheel drive, play it safe, take some photos, things like that. But it's been a while, you know, YouTube, I've been slacking. I know consistency is everything, but lately I've been slacking. But I'm gonna try to get more content for you guys. The M is here now, so I'm looking to wrap this, transform this. I kind of took a hold on the 440 after I got this, but I'm looking to kind of just, I don't know if the plans are still the same for the 440. The initial plans were, let's build it, let's make it the fastest 440 that New York has ever seen. That's a big threshold to obviously hold, but I don't know if I really want to do that to the 440, or I kind of just want to make it medium fast, anywhere like 500-600 horsepower, nothing too crazy, and then call it a day. So to be determined on that. But as far as, you know, the M4, I'm wrapping it, getting the wheels powder coated, probably gloss black, and then I'm gonna keep it stock. The F80 I had was pretty stock, so I think I'm gonna do that, the same thing. It's an M, it speaks for itself. But yeah, let's get into it. All right guys, it's looking like a 440 type of day. Fun fact, I just got my windshield tinted. I needed that. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna hop in this, call it a day. Give the M4 some love, warm it up. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna stay in this. Tints make a huge difference. Can someone help me to get this away? So this pops up only when I connect my Bluetooth. So I'm thinking maybe it's my phone or something, I don't know. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe I need like an updated like software on the car or something, but only when I connect my Bluetooth and I get in the car, that pops up. And then sometimes it doesn't pop up. And then, you know, silly me, I tried to like manually click it just to see if it was working, because obviously it says emergency call malfunction. And it was working. Like the cops showed up to my house like, hey, like the BMW had like an emergency call from it. Is everything okay? So it works. I just don't know why it keeps doing that. But anyway, I'm waiting for Romo. You've seen him in my other videos. He's stopping by. He kind of wants to test out the M4. And then yeah, we go from there.
Crazy.
Tell me if this sounds stock. Yeah? Is it right?
Yeah. I mean, it should not warm though, so.
What do you mean? It should sound crazy.
It does.
You hear that? It's a brake. You describe it?
Damn.
Yeah,
I mean, you gotta spend that $800 on that brake package. You don't got no fucking.
It's not going nowhere.
No traction.
It spins in every gear.
Oh my god. Maybe it's. I don't know.
It still sounds.
I don't know.
That was regular.
What are you in right now?
Regular.
You're not in Sport Plus?
No, I am.
Oh, I'm about to say, like, if this is not Sport Plus. That's all I want. Damn. You need some everything. Like, you need some. Couldn't be me. It's ridiculous. free though, you should like take it in one of these parking lots. Just go crazy. Might as well.
This lot right here.
Yeah, it's fucking nuts. Shit is clean. 21,000.
21,391. She got nothing on it.
What you mean? Like, that's the only thing.
I'm sure if I was to take put it in M2 or M1 or whatever.
Yo, your shit's you're gonna kill us right now.
I think if I was to like
Before right now we're dead. We're gonna die. Yeah.
you recorded,
Yeah, I'm recording. What the fuck? It's my time. Oh shit.
flip it. Yeah, do that.
What? Relax. Bro,
I didn't even know you did that.
because you don't know. You don't know what to do.
Swipe up.
You press the button 3 times. Oh shit. Yo, you know what to do. You know what to do. Give it 1 time.
My tires are done.
Exactly.
Let me show you.
Yeah, let me see.
They're
Like you see the
OD.
threading?
Yeah, like they're old.
These tips are OD. Yo, let me get these.
Why? Don't fly. Look at that.
You got a little life left. You got a deep. Nah, that other one is fucked up. You could go this way, but you can't go this way.
Go that way.
Yeah, you go this way, but not this way.
Can we get one for the one-time content?
Shit, what you mean? What the fuck you waiting on? You got somebody to press record. Ah, the beautiful F82. I kind of like the white. It's giving. I like it. Not like a forever like it, but like, it's nice. These fangs, man.
Yeah, that shit is fire.
Like I have these shits, but I don't have this shit. Yo, bust this.
Want it?
Yeah. Nah, yeah, because you go over here saying the wrong shit. This shit don't have the latch? Nah, nigga, my shit have a latch. Like, you know when it come up, you press the little shit? You know what I mean, I don't see it. You don't deserve this.
I do.
Nah. You heard it here first, people.
I do.
He doesn't deserve it. F82. They spilled juice in here. What the fuck is this?
There you go.
His headlights is different than mine, though.
What? Your lights? My lights?
Yeah, yeah. Hell yeah.
What do you mean?
I feel like my headlights don't have. You see that little this beam right here? Sort of like.
You don't have like the motion?
I don't think so.
That's like a
Granted, I haven't seen my car in a minute, but like. Yeah, I don't think my shits look like this.
I think you just haven't seen your shit. I think you do.
Nah, nigga, I don't think so. I don't have a picture in front of my car. I don't think so, bro. What you waiting on? What do you do this for? See, yeah, look at my shit. My shit is just straight up circles, bro. My shit does not look like this. Your shit is different. My shit is like full circles.
Mine is like a moon.
Yeah, yours is like some like. Cause I don't have those 4 shits in the middle. I don't have that. See, this is why I don't tell nobody. The first donut. Let's see if he actually gets it done. scary. You're moving very spooky. Relax. Shit. No. That doesn't get old, bro. It'll never get old, son. Like, I remember when I used to do that sometimes.
This M is tough.
It is.
There's a cop thing right there. Look at that after the red light.
Oh,
So try not to be followed.
I get scared. It's crazy. You hear that first?
Come on. Gonna go in there. It's nice in here. I don't even know if we're allowed to be in here, but you know. Ooh, a nice shot is gonna be under that. This is nice. This shot right here is gonna be fire. I know it. They have better cameras than I do, but I'm making it work with mine. This shot right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm probably just gonna get some food, go home. It's looking a little gloomy out now. But yeah, the shots came out good. The location was good. I don't know, I gotta figure out more stuff to do. Like, I feel like there's not much I could really do with my car. Like, most people that I'm around, they're either working or something, so I'm trying to get some content for you guys. I need to come up with new ideas, maybe go to like some car meets or something. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video.